So let's take a look at how we can create this particular animation. So for this particular animation, you need a background, a video, or a screen recording, anything that you would like to place within this particular area. So yes, so let's go ahead and double click on it because it is a group, or you can simply click on open group right here. So inside this group we have four different layers. The bottom one, as you can see, is highlighted, which is the background. This blue, which is the background to showcase it is either a laptop or some sort of a screen. And inside this we have the video or the screen recording, any form of video, and this triangle to indicate a play button. So all this is grouped within this particular group. You can name it simply by double clicking, and or you can just right click and rename, and you can rename it. So the animation that I have chosen is bottom. As you can see here from the preview, it the entire all of the components elements comes from top towards the bottom. So let's go ahead and check it out. So here you have the preview, and it's basically a demonstration uh, before you add the animation onto this particular video. So that is how simple and easy it is.